welcome to the Phony Foodstar kitchen. I am so happy that you guys are here because I'm going to be showing you how to cook a vegan stuffed quinoa pepper, or maybe a vegan quinoa stuffed pepper, however you want to call it. It doesn't matter, it's super good. Here's our ingredients. It's full of vitamins, full of protein. You're gonna be full after you eat it and you're going to love it because it's freaking delicious. So let's go ahead and get started and show you how to cook it. So pretty much everything you're gonna need is super basic. Mushrooms, corn, black beans, diced green peppers, tomatoes, zucchini, onion, garlic, spinach, olive oil, and then quinoa and the Daiya cheese. I don't know how you say it, but that's what we're gonna be using. So really, the first thing that we wanna do is boil a cup of uncooked quinoa. So go ahead and boil a cup of that, and then we'll do the rest. Now, while that's boiling, we're gonna chop up the zucchini and the onion and the mushrooms. So let's go ahead and do that. So the onions and zucchini are chopped. Now I'm gonna make room for mushrooms. So now I'm done chopping. Oh, no, we got the garlic. Now we're gonna do 4 cloves of garlic. I almost forgot. You know what? I should probably check on the quinoa real quick. So, it is looking good. Now back to the garlic here. So now that this is done, now I need to saute them. So let's go over here and saute it. Now we're just gonna pour in some olive oil. I guess we'll do like 2 tablespoons. I don't know, I always eyeball it. So we'll do that. Crank the heat, put that on high. And then now we're just gonna put in the mushrooms, the zucchini, the onion, and the garlic. Okay. So now that we've got all that in there, we're going to saute it on high and let that get to work. Okay, so now we got the veggies going. I went ahead and washed some tomatoes, put them over here. We need to dice them up. I have half a cup of tomatoes. And by the way, what we're making here, everything that we've done so far is a filling for the pepper, obviously. Okay, the tomatoes are chopped. Let me check back over here on the vegetables. Tasting good. So I officially am gonna call the veggies done. So let's turn that off. And I didn't really want to cook it all the way because we're gonna cook it again in the oven, but I mean, they're pretty much cooked all the way. Now let's prepare our peppers. Got the peppers. Now we just wanna cut a hole right here. So cut this out. And then we're gonna take it out, take out the seeds, and then that's where everything's gonna go. So try to make it to where you can stuff your things into there. So I just go like this, across the top, kind of like a square, or maybe more like an octagon or hexagon, whatever it would be. Oops. First one isn't the best, but you can see I just took this lid off. And now I'm gonna do my best to put it inside, and I'm getting this stuff out now. All the seeds and whatever that white stuff is. So now you can see this is what we're going to make them look like. We've got 6 peppers. It really doesn't matter what color you choose. Just get your favorite, I guess. Okay, so as you can see, we've got 6 peppers cut and pitted. So now they're empty, ready to be filled. How do we make our filling, you ask? First, I'm just gonna go and get all the vegetables and pour those into the bowl here. Now I'm gonna pour in all the quinoa. Then we've got our tomatoes here. Put all those in. And then the diced green chilies. Just gonna pour all those in there. Half a cup of black beans. Let's do a whole cup of corn. Got that. And then, just to give it some leafiness, green texture, I'm gonna add, just get a nice handful and just rip it up. So I'm doing it into pieces, kind of like that. Okay, so now the moment I've been waiting for, the vegan cheese. We've got the mozzarella, and I went with Daiya, I think that's how you say it. And then I got the pepper jack. Yes! Interesting. All right, half a cup of pepper jack, and then a fourth a cup of mozzarella. And then we're gonna do half a teaspoon of chili powder, and then a teaspoon of cumin. And then I'm gonna do a little more salt and pepper. Can we please look at this? So now I just need to stir it all together. It literally smells like I'm in a Mexican restaurant and like I never wanna leave. That's what it smells like. So now we need to stuff our peppers. I'm gonna turn on the oven. Let's put the oven on 400. So we've got our peppers. I'm gonna just line these up. Oh, they're sliding. Actually, I'm gonna get a little olive oil and drizzle this on top. Not much, but. So we've got our stuffing. Now we're just putting it in. So I actually have a lot of stuffing left. Try to fill it up as much as I can. I was about to say I wish I had another pepper, but you know what? I do. 1 second. All right. Oh, snap. No. Okay, this pepper is misbehaving. It needs to stop. It is like greasy in there. All right, I think that's the best I can do. Putting them in. The 7 peppers are in. We started with 6, now there's 7. I really think we should have done 8 peppers, but they're in the oven at 400 degrees. Now we need to wait for probably 20-25 minutes just to see how they turn out, and I'll keep you guys posted. Okay, I think that they are finally done. Okay. Let's really see though. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh yes. They're done. Let's get a zoom on this. Holy. Okay. So they're done. Here they are, our beautiful stuffed peppers. Now I think I can eat one. So I'm gonna go for this yellow one. The only yellow one. I guess I'll just cut a little bit from the top. Oh yeah, I forgot that cheese was in there. Let me get some of the cheese. Okay. Mmm. Okay. Okay, I had to take a couple bites before I get my verdict. This right here, oh my gosh. I'm getting like fresh vegetable, getting that quinoa, getting the corn and the tomato and the zucchini, but then you've got this like, I'm gonna be full vibe. You know, I hate just eating vegetables and then I'm scared I'm not gonna be full. Right here, this is gonna fill me up. Oh my gosh. Well, I hope that you guys make this and enjoy it. I know that I love it right now, so I definitely think you're gonna love it when you make it. Comment below to let me know how it went, what you thought. If you have any questions, let me know. But I really appreciate you guys watching and following along. And that's it for the Phony Foodstar Kitchen. So until next time,